Daily list admission item 1.
In this matter, I'm appearing for the AICT. We were supposed to file an affidavit. Officer who's got the signing authority, he is unwell, Your Lordship. May I pray for a week's time, Your Lordship? 10 days time, Your Lordship. Very well, Your Lordship. I'll ensure that it is filed within 10 days. No, I'll need a week's time. Beyond that,
First week, 7th of May, my lord. 7th. On 7th.
Holiday. Bonus.
I'm sorry. You too. Yes, madam.
well,
As
let it be
convenient to my
16th.
My. Deeply.
My pleasure. I have been instructed by my client to withdraw the petition that premature retirement. The only prayer before your lordship is that the direction may be issued to the municipal authority to disburse my retired benefit in a short period of time.
For orders, item 2.
Your Lordship, as per the last orders, notice was issued to the official liquidator once again. However, I don't think they have entered appearance yet. Um, Also, Your Honor, before the DRT Kolkata, the official liquidator before the Madhya Pradesh High Court has filed a status report recently. We would like to bring that on record. And we have also applied for certified copies of the proceedings of the OL before the Madhya Pradesh High Court, which are crucial to the determination of this case. We are requesting 4 weeks' time to bring those facts on record. As per orders. MDAS,
Present for the applicant.
applicant in the I.
Applicant,
In the I. Jalanagar Development Private.
none has appeared for the opposite parties. Office note indicates that notice was issued to the, that in terms of the order dated 27/2/2024, notice was issued to the official liquidator by registered post with AD. However, despite service of notice, none has appeared for the OL. Ms. Das, on the other hand, submits that there are certain subsequent developments in this case, inasmuch as the OL has filed its report in another proceeding pending by and between the parties.
Yes.
Before the High Court of Judicature at Madhya Pradesh, and therefore she be granted 4 weeks' time to bring the said report on the record of this case. Prayer is allowed. Let the matter be listed again after 6 weeks.
Obliged.
Let the matters be listed again after 6 weeks.
Item 3, 4, and 5.
Lordship, IS civil number 531, Lordship 24. Lordship, we have filed for correction of orders. Page 16 may be seen. Page 16.
Yes, page 16.
Link case number IS civil number 2468/23. Address of the petitioner, Lordship, inadvertently recorded, Lordship. Address is wrongly recorded. Address of
But
the
address is you, what is you, that address you have furnished.
No, no, no. I have not furnished. I have furnished lordship, that is in page 5.
Address of whose address is wrongly given?
Applicant, Dr. Navnita Datta. That
Hmm.
portion is right. Dr. Navnita, thereafter lordship, Department of Physics, this is not my address.
But where has this come from then? Who has given this? Where is the record of IS Civil 2468 of 2000? I think it's a dispose of. You were for the applicant in IA 2468
Yes, lordship.
of 2023.
Yes.
Who were the applicants in that case? Who were the applicants in IA 2468 of
Lordship,
2000?
I am the applicant.
I'm the petitioner in main case, Lordship.
I was the applicant in 2468. That was a vacation petition. Lordship. We had filed.
So I'm saying, what were the name of the applicants in IA?
Yes, Dr. Navnita Datta.
But here it is Archit Bhattacharya and Mintu Das.
I'm for the Osita Bhattacharya.
In read petition or Sita Bhattacharya?
Read petitioner.
We are concerned about the correction is required in the IA.
Yes, Lordship.
IA Civil 2468 of 2020.
Yes, yes.
Who are the applicants? Please check. Applicants known here is shown as Navanita Datta. And here, who are the applicants? Please take this. Please give it to him. Uh, yes, so he is saying there is a mistake in the address of Navanita Datta in the IA. Something else is written in the IA. All right, picked up. Mr. A.T. Sarkar, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Also heard, can you give your appearances, please?
I'm for the Industry Grants Commission.
Mr. H. Ramoa, Learned Standing Council, UGC, Mr. S. Bhuya, Learned Standing Council, huh? Higher Education Department, Assam, Ms. A. Gayan, Learned CGC,
No, madam. Ramya College.
Huh?
Ramya College.
Learned Standing Council, Rangya College, and Mr.
KM Bora. On
K.
behalf
R.
of
Bora.
M. Dotto, on behalf of him.
Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner opposite parties, full stop. This IA has been filed with a prayer to make corrections in the order dated 2023 passed by this court in IA Civil 1988/23 and IA Civil 2468/2023. IA Civil 2468/2023 was preferred by Dr. Navanita Datta, NA, BA, NITA, Navanita Datta, and was represented by the learned counsel for the present applicant, Mr. A.T. Sarkar. According to the applicant's counsel, the address of the applicant as furnished in IA Civil 2468/2023 was different from that reflected in the cost title of the certified copy of the order dated 2012/2023, as a result of which some hindrances have occurred in implementation of the court's order. Mr. Sarkar therefore prays for an order from this court to correct the aforesaid anomaly and thereafter issue a fresh certified copy to his client. The learned counsel for the opposite parties do not have any objection if the correction as prayed for is permitted by this court. After examining the records of the application filed in IA Civil close number 2468/2023, insofar as the name and address of the applicant, Dr. Navanita Datta, is concerned, I also find that there is a deviation in the name and address of the said applicant in this certified copy of the order. Registry to therefore uh, uh, look into the matter, carry out necessary rectification as may be warranted in the matter, and thereafter issue a fresh certified copy to the applicant's counsel. So with the above observation, these IA stands disposal.
Lordship, as per my instruction, pleadings have already completed.
We are only on correction today. In the writ petitions, you write, these matters before the appropriate bench as per roster. In the writ petitions. Huh? What is this?
Correction. Petitioner themselves. Earlier,
The IA has been filed with a prayer to make corrections in the order dated
4/8/2023.
order dated
4/8/2023.
order dated 4/8/2023.
That's dispose of matter, Lordship.
The order dated 4/8/2023 passed by this court in WPC number 4428/2023. According to the applicant, what is the error?
As per the petition, Lordship, they had committed the wrong.
which are, right, none appears for the applicant. It appears that there is a mistake in typing out the DAG number in the petition and petition which is sought to be rectified by this order. Mr. S. Datta, learned Standing Council Revenue Department Assam is present and submits that the aforesaid rectification would call amendment of the application. Be that as it may, since the applicant's counsel is absent today, this matter stands past. Yes, Mr. Nayak. So he wants to withdraw this petition, but he wants his pensionary dues to be settled.
Lordship.
Mr. A. Dasgupta, Learned Senior Counsel for the writ petitioner, submits that he has instructions from his client to withdraw this writ petition. Mr. Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, however, submits that an order be issued from this court to settle the pension of the petitioner as expeditiously as possible. On the ground that despite having retired from service do you have the date in the year?
15 May 1964.
He had retired in.
Oh, return, sorry. On 1/9/2020.
1/9/2023, the pension of the petitioner has not yet been settled.
Pension, gratuity, provision fund.
Pension and other retirement benefits of the petitioner have not been paid to him till date. Mr. Nayak submits that the delay in settling the pension was on account of pendency of this proceeding. However, now, after the withdrawal of the writ petition, the matter will be processed expeditiously.
Lordship.
In view of the above, and on the prayer of the petitioner's counsel, this writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal. The authorities may do the needful.
Lordship may kindly indicate time, 2 or 3 months,
As expeditiously as possible. As expeditious,
preferably.
preferably within next 3 months.
Thank you.